Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Are you wondering what's going to happen if TikTok actually gets banned in the USA? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting solution for you if you are based in the USA and you have content on TikTok that you're worried about what's going to happen to it once TikTok gets banned in the US. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, and currently living in Ireland, studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family, or time or money to build my business. I felt like I had expensive side hustle hobbies. I was spending way more than I was earning. And you name it, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, I've been there, done that. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So if you are a marketer using TikTok to market your business and service, and you're wondering what's going to happen with TikTok, well, first and foremost is ByteDance, which is a company, the parent of TikTok, is going to fight it, right? It's obviously not just going to take it, they're going to fight it. And in so doing, they could put a hold on it, right? While they're trying to fight it. So it could be the case where right now judges are trying to decide, okay, do they need more time to make this put this ban into effect, or do they need to put a hold on it so while they decide, right? So TikTok is just all about buying the time. They do have the option to sell to a USA country as well, so you could still have TikTok being run by a different USA country. So the whole point is that the USA feel like the government feels like US TikTok has information to US citizens, private information, which they should not have access to, right? So if they sell it to an American company, that information will be in America and not be accessible to the Chinese government, who TikTok is obliged to share the information with. So there's all these things going on in the background. But worst case scenario, what happens if it ban actually goes ahead and TikTok is no longer it's no longer illegal to be used in USA? So first and foremost, the good news is you're still going to have access to your TikTok on your phone. If you already have it, you still have access to it. It's not going to go away, disappear straight away. The way they're going to implement the ban is through the app stores, right? So Apple, Play Store, whatever way that you download your apps, the TikTok app, you won't be able to do it if you're based in the USA from the date the ban is imposed, right? And the other way is the servers where the information is hosted, like Oracle, they won't be able to host the TikTok platform. And any IPS internet companies, any companies where TikTok goes through in order to reach the target audience, to reach the members, is going to be cut off at the source, right? So and the other thing is that the way it's going to affect you, even though you're going to have the app, you won't be able to get any updates. And TikTok is a platform based on algorithms, and updates are happening all the time. So if you don't get updates on your phone, eventually you won't be you might not get the stuff that you want to get from TikTok. The app might be slow, it might be glitchy, and all these things. So eventually it's going to be frustrating for you to actually use TikTok. It's not going to be the pleasant experience, smooth and user-friendly experience that you have now. Okay, so this, my friends, is the worst case scenario. What would happen if TikTok does get banned in the USA? So if you're a marketer and you have content on TikTok, you're wondering what's going to happen to all that content. I actually have a solution for you. If you click the link in the description, you can get access to the software that you can start to use right now to transfer your content from TikTok to wherever you want, right? So you could set up different, we call them workflows, where you can get content from TikTok to, let's say, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, Snapchat, Instagram, you could set up so that information goes is that content is transferred onto those platforms over time. So you can set up like maybe five contents a day goes out to those platforms, and you can set up any future content to be posted onto the different platforms as well. That way, you can still have access to the content that you've built up over time in TikTok. You don't get to lose that content, because content is your real estate on it's your retirement plan, right? You create it, you put time and effort into it. You can still get access to that content by clicking the link in the description to check this out. Now, if you have any questions, please respond to my email or put in the comments as well. If you have any questions about the tool I shared, and if you have any thoughts or opinions about TikTok, about the whole thing that's going on, what you think, how the effect it's going to have on businesses. Businesses are set to lose billions and billions because there's so many businesses that rely on TikTok to reach the target audience, to market to audiences, influencers earning millions and all that. So it's not looking good. So if you have any comments, let me know what you think. Otherwise, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.